Hello everyone, it's James. You're looking at an English learning puzzle for children, ages 2 to 4. It's called Things That Go Together. It's by Living and Learning. 20 think and match photo puzzles. On the back of the box gives you a description of the contents. Paint and paintbrushes, vase and flowers, bowl and spoon, hands and gloves, birthday cake and candles, bucket and sand shovel, toothbrush and toothpaste, bathrobe and slippers, shoes and shoelaces, lunch and lunchbox, glass and drink, feet and socks, knife and fork, bicycle and helmet, swimsuit and towel, pencil case and pens, stereo and headphones, train and track, dustpan and brush, pencils and pencil sharpener. Look at this. Only the right pieces fit together. So this is good for little hands. If you're teaching your child English or other students, this is a good tool to have. These photos do not have words written on them, so you would have to teach your child or student the names of each of these words in English. Socks, headphones, birthday cake, track, glass, bucket, hands, paint, flowers, towel, brush, toothpaste, dustpan, toothbrush, knife, shoelaces, spoon, pens. Now, according to the package, it says pens, but I think this is stationery. It's up to you. Lunch, bathrobe, pencil sharpener, helmet, feet. Now on the package it says stereo, which is out of date. You can tell the picture is out of date, but you can say music player, candles, train. The package says juice. You can say orange juice. Shovel, gloves, paintbrushes, vase, swimsuit, fork, shoes. They look like boots, but on the package it says shoes. Bowl, pencil case, lunchbox. Now these look like shoes, but on the box it says slippers. On the box it says pencils. They're actually coloring pencils. Bicycle. Make sure your students know the names of these pictures. Okay? You can lay them out. You can get them to point to the picture that you're calling out. Find paint here. Or if you're teaching a group of students, say point to flowers. That's easy. Here. Point to birthday cake. Once your child or students are used to all these words, get them to piece them together. If you're teaching a group of students, you can split them up and get them to race each other, or you can divide the pictures evenly, half for one side and half for the other side. Or if you're teaching just your child, get them to find things that go together. And I recommend doing a gesture like this. That means things that go together, or something like that. It's up to you. And that's how I would use this puzzle. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.